Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Um, how are you all? Can you hear me, beta? Can you hear me? Maida Zimal, can you hear me, beta? Is my voice clear?
Yes,
Okay. Thank you so much, beta. Okay, beta, as I told you on Google Classroom that today we are going to discuss the topic climate, which is in our chapter Land and Climate of Pakistan. So now we are going to discuss our chapter Land and Climate, and the topic is this is our revision lecture. So you have your copies with you. Whether the it will be rough copy or you have to take your loose sheets, so prepare your copies or loose sheets, right at the top of your page or copy, uh, rt, and then topic name, today's date, uh, and after that you have to open your cameras, turn on your cameras, beta, and show me your copy or loose sheet, whatever you have. As I told you that today we are going to discuss our topic climate of Pakistan. So first of all, I will give you a short review and definition of climate, and after that I will ask the questions to you. And in the meanwhile, when I am going to discuss with you, or I will give the review of this topic, you have to prepare your pages, and also you have to turn on your cameras. So open your cameras, beta. Ishal, Abdul Ahad, Maida, Shiza, Zimil, beta, turn on your cameras. Is it clear? So prepare your today's page, and in the meanwhile, I'm going to discuss with you the definition of climate. So I will give a short review to you. Then after that, I will ask the questions to you, and you have to give me the answers. Okay, Maida, I can see your copy. Okay, Ishal, Shiza, beta, Abdullah, turn on your camera. Abdul beta, you have to turn on your camera right now. Okay, what is climate actually? The long lasting conditions of weather in a particular area, such as air pressure, temperature, humidity, and rainfall, are termed as the climate of an area. So, any area which have these things, these elements in the atmosphere, that is called climate actually. And what are these elements? First of all, air pressure, temperature, humidity, and then rainfall. So these long lasting, not temporary. Is it clear? If any area has these elements in its atmosphere at the term basis, is it clear? Then it is called climate. So the actual definition of climate is the long lasting condition of weather in a particular area, such as air pressure, temperature, humidity, and rainfall, are termed as the climate of an area. Is it clear? Okay. Shiza, beta, are you listening me? Ishal, turn on your camera. Otherwise, I will put you all in the waiting room today. Hurry up, turn on your cameras. Okay, Abdurrahman, beta, turn on your camera. Okay, okay, Shiza. Show me your copy, beta. Maida, I can see your copy. Very good. Prepare your page, beta, Shiza. Ishal. Okay, Ishal. Now this is your copy. Show me your page. Okay, well done. Okay, so Pakistan is divided into the following regions on the basis of its climate. So Pakistan actually has been divided into four climatic regions on the basis of its climate. Okay, Abdurrahman, yes, I can see your copy. Show me your copy. Show me your today's page. If you have prepared your page, then show me your page. Okay. So, which are these four climatic regions of Pakistan? First of all, subtropical continental highland. Second, subtropical continental plateaus. Third, subtropical continental lowland. And fourth one, subtropical coastal coastlands. So I can show these are the I can show you the pictures of these climatic regions only. So because I'm going to give you a review, just a review, so you can see the different seasons and different weathers here in us in one picture, and you can see at a time four types of the climatic conditions of our weather. So next, you can see the picture of subtropical continental highland. Highland means mountainous areas. You can see in this picture, here are some pictures of highland areas. Here you can see the green areas of high mountainous areas, and you can see the uh, mountains which are covered with snow. So these type of the areas are called subtropical continental highland. Beta Abdur Rahman, show me your page. Show me your today's page. Have you done? Have you prepared your page? Open your copy, beta. Show me your page. Shiza, where are you? Zimil, beta, open your cameras. Abdul Ahad, Sania, Javed, beta, turn on your cameras and show me your copies. Hurry up, beta. Okay, this is the this is called, these types of the areas are called subtropical continental highlands. And then you can see subtropical continental plateaus, and you can see the beautiful valleys between the mountains, and you can see some slope type areas, mountains, and these areas are called subtropical continental plateaus. Then you can see subtropical continental lowlands. It means the plain areas. You can see the beautiful pictures of plain areas. You can see different you can see the greenery here, and you can see the some kettles are grazing here, and you can see the beautiful picture of a field here. So these type of areas are called subtropical continental lowlands. And then fourth one, subtropical coastlands areas. So these are the areas which are like which are called the subtropical coastland areas, coastal areas. And you can see the greenery here, you can see the dense forest here, because here is the because of much rainfall here. So these are the different type of four types of climatic regions in which Pakistan has been divided. Is it clear? Okay. Now we are going to discuss our today's questions. First of all, I will, as I told you, that this is your RT, and I am going to ask you some questions, and you have to answer me these questions. So, first of all, you can see the first question is, define climate of an area. Okay, Hamza Mujtaba, beta, be ready for RT. Prepare your page, Sania. Abdul Ahad, are you listening me, beta? Turn on your cameras, all of you, beta. After 10 minutes, I'm going to put you in all in the waiting room, and I will not allow you again to enter in the classroom. So it is better for you, it will be better for you to open your cameras. Okay, Maida, I can see your copy. Um Write down the first question. Define climate of an area. Okay, Shiza beta, give me the answer. Shiza beta, turn on your mic and give me the answer. Yes, Abdurrahman, give me your answer. Yes, Ishal. Okay. So many students have raised their hands. Just a minute, beta. Yes, Ishal,
The
tell
long
me.
lasting conditions the long lasting conditions of weather in a particular area, such as pressure, temperature, humidity, and rainfall, are termed as climate of an area.
Very good. Very good. Turn off your mic, beta. Okay. I repeat the answer. You have to write down the answer. And the answer is the long lasting condition of weather in a particular area. The long lasting conditions of weather in a particular area. Abdurrahman, beta, show me your copy. I can see the copy of Maida and Ishal. Abdurrahman, beta, write down the answer.
बस मैं कह रहा हूँ आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
बेटा चेक योर डिवाइस बेटा. मेरी आवाज़ सबको आ रही है. You have to check your device, beta. The long lasting conditions of weather in a particular area, such as air pressure, such as air pressure, comma, temperature, comma, humidity, and rainfall are termed as the climate of an area. Very good, Maida, Ishal. Well done. I repeat, the long lasting conditions of weather in a particular area, such as air pressure, comma, temperature, comma, humidity, and rainfall, are termed as the climate of an area. Have you done all? Raise your hands, beta. Hamza Mujtaba, Fozia Fawad, Abdul Rafe, Abdul Ahad. Abdul Ahad is not listening me. Abdul Ahad, beta, have you turned on your camera? Show me your copy. Yes, Abdul Ahad. Now I can see. No, Abdul Ahad, beta, turn on your camera. I want to see your copy. Yes, Abdul Ahad. Abdul Rahman, yes. बेटा थोड़ा क्लियर कीजिए पिक्चर को. अब्दुल ahad. Abdul Ahad, I called your name so many times. What is the problem, beta? Yes, Abdul Rahman, beta, I can see your copy. Yes, well done, Abdul Ahad, beta. थोड़ा रोशनी में लाइए, थोड़ा इसको क्लियर कीजिए पिक्चर को. Okay, next question. Have you done? If you have done, then you have to write the next question. But I will take the answer after 5 minutes. So you have to write down the next question. How many climatic regions are there in Pakistan? First of all, you have to complete first question. Abdul Rahman, show me your first question. Show me the answer. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर कहाँ है बेटा? Define the climate of an area. Abdul Rahman, show me. Zimil, are you there? Fozia Fawad, Hamza. Sania Javed beta. Abdul Rafi. All of you better turn on your cameras. Okay, raise your hands. If you have done, raise your hands. If you have done your first question, then raise your hands. Now, Abdul Ahad, I'm going to put you in the waiting room. You are not turning on your camera. Abdul Rafi is not turning on his camera. Fozia Fawad. So, one by one, I'm going to put you all in the waiting room. Okay, raise your hands. Hurry up. Abdul Rafi, Fozia Fawad, Abdul Rahman beta. Complete your first question. Hurry up, Abdul Rahman. Hurry up. We are all waiting for you. Yes, Abdullah. Show me your copy. Show me your copy. Answer दिखाइए बेटा. Where is first answer? Beta, are you wasting our time? What is the problem actually? Show me your copy. Okay, Fozia. Tell me the answer number 2. Fozia beta, tell me the answer of question number 2. Yes, बताइए.
Miss, how many climatic regions are there in Pakistan? There are 4 climatic regions there in Pakistan. Subtropical continental highland.
Very good.
Subtropical continental plateau. Subtropical coastland. And subtropical continental lowland.
Lowland. Very good. Better turn on your camera as well. Fozia beta.
Miss, I'm working on laptop and there is no camera.
Okay, okay, it's okay.
Camera is not working.
Okay. Okay, beta. Answer is Pakistan is divided into the following regions on the basis of its climate: subtropical continental highland, subtropical continental plateaus, subtropical continental lowland, and subtropical coastlands. Rumesa, beta, you have joined us right now. So prepare your today's page, and then you can see the questions on your screen. So first question was that define climate of an area, and second question is how many climatic regions are there in Pakistan. So question is how many climatic regions are there in Pakistan. So you have to start the answer. There are 4 climatic regions in Pakistan, and these are subtropical continental highland, subtropical continental plateaus, subtropical continental lowland, and subtropical coastland. Is it clear? Have you done? Who will check his or her copy? Shiza beta, Abdul Rafe, Rumesa, show me your copies beta. Okay beta, show me your copies. Yes beta, anyone? Maida beta, where is your copy? Show me your copy beta. Yes, Abdul Rahman is showing me his copy. Yes, Abdul Rahman, show me your copy. I can't see your copy clearly. Okay, very good. Abdul Rahman, beta, do neat work, neat and clean work, beta. Be focused towards your writing. Okay, Maida, show me your copy, beta. Yes, well done. So now raise your hands, all of you. Have you done this question? Raise your hands. Yes, very good. Raise your hands, beta. Rumesa, have you done? Hamza Mujtaba? Hamza Mujtaba, I'm going to turn on your mic and tell me, have you done? Yes, Hamza? Okay, I can see your hand. Okay, beta. Fozia Fawad, beta. Abdul Rafe. Have you done, all of you? Beta, raise your hands. Hurry up. Raise your hands. Shiza, Sania Javed. Sania, beta, what is the problem? Why are you not turning on your camera? Okay, I want to see the copy of Abdul Rahman. Yes. Zimil, beta, show me your copy. Zimil, beta, show me your copy. Okay, next question is describe the climate of subtropical coastal land. You just have to describe the climate of subtropical coastal land. Describe the climate of subtropical coastal land. Describe the climate of subtropical coastal land. Write down the question, then you have to give me the answers. Okay, Zimil, give me the answer. Okay, I can see your hands. Now tell me the answer of question number 3. Yes, Zimil. Yes, beta Zimil. Turn on your mic. Okay, Rumesa, better turn on your mic and tell me the answer. Okay, Rumesa,
Yes.
give me the answer. Describe the
नो द आंसर मैं थोड़ा लाइट में तो लेट आई थी तो आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 भी बता दें तो मैं उसका आंसर
better tell me the answer of question number 3 first. Okay, anyone else? Hamza Mujtaba beta, tell me the answer. Beta, these questions and these RTs are very important for you. Be focused. If you are in the class, then you have to participate in the class. You have to give me the answers. Whether the answer is will wrong, don't you worry. I will give you the right answer, but you have to participate in the class. We are we are in the class, and we are taking, when we are taking the class, why not you are so attentive. Be attentive beta, and turn on your cameras. I'm saying again and again, and you are not listening. Abdur Rafe beta, turn on your mic. ट्राई तो कीजिए ना जवाब देने के लिए.
हमेशा भी
ओके
नहीं किया, मैं
ओके
लेट आया
बेटा.
था, मैं सवाल नंबर 2 भी नहीं किया हुआ मैंने.
Okay, write down the answer. Average temperature, annual average temperature बेटा, अगर आपने क्वेश्चन नहीं किया तो एटलीस्ट अपने माइक्स तो, कैमरास तो ऑन कीजिए ना. मुझे किसी का कैमरा तो शो हो. Only Abdur Rahman and Maida are taking part actively in the class. Okay, Rumesa. Very good. I can see your copy now. Okay. Annual average temperature of coastal land. Annual average temperature of coastal land is 32 degrees centigrade. Is 32 degrees centigrade, and rainfall is 180 millimeter. I repeat, annual average temperature of coastal land, you can write subtropical coastal land also. Annual average temperature of subtropical coastal land, or you can write only coastal land, is 32 degrees centigrade, and rainfall is 180 millimeter. You can write mm, 180 mm. Full stop. May and June are the hottest months. May and June are the hottest months. May and June are the hottest months. Full stop. The plain of Las Bela. Las Bela is the name of a place. L will be in capital letter. Is it clear? L will be in capital letter. So the plain of Las Bela receives rainfall both in summer and winter season. The plain of Las Bela receives rainfall both in summer and winter season. Beta, you have to prepare for your RT. This is not good. You are not going to answer of this question, and I'm telling to you, this is not the right thing. You have to prepare, and I have told you in yesterday also, and in my previous class, the topic of this chapter for RT. So you have to prepare these topics for your RTs, and the next topic will be from the chapter Pakistan as a welfare state. So what will be the pages, number of the pages, I will tell you right after the lecture. Is it clear? Okay, 10 minutes left, And I'm going to repeat the answer of this question. Annual average temperature is 32 degrees centigrade and rainfall is 180 millimeter. May and June are the hottest months. Is it clear? So the plain of Las Bela receives rainfall both in summer and winter season. Have you done? Raise your hands. Just Maida is showing her copy. No one is showing his or her copy, and no one is turning on his or her camera. Okay, Rumesa, well done. I can see your answer. So raise your hands, beta. Fozia, have you done? Abdul Rafe, Ishal, Sania, have you done all? Raise your hands, beta. Okay, Hamza Mujtaba, have you done? Abdur Rahman, Abdur Rahman is doing good. Okay, Rumesa, I can see your copy. Well done. Where is Zimil? Zimil, raise your hand, beta. Zimil, you are not responding in the class. I will not mark your attendance. Okay. Abdul Ahad, beta, have you done? Okay, next question. What is the maximum temperature of Sibbi and Jacobabad in summer? What is the maximum temperature of Sibbi and Jacobabad in summer? Okay, who will give the answer? What is the maximum temperature of Sibbi and Jacobabad in summer? Raise your hands, beta. Okay, Sania, give me the answer. Sania, turn on your mic, beta. Okay, tell me the answer. Okay, beta, Sania, I can't listen you, beta. Tell me the answer. Anyone else? Okay, Maida, give me the answer.
It's 48.0.
No, beta. The maximum temperature of Sibbi and Jacobabad is about. Anyone else? Abdul Ahad, beta, give me the answer. Yes. Shiza, tell me the answer. Shiza, beta.
Miss, the maximum temperature of Sibbi and Jacobabad is normally 50 mm.
Very 50 mm not. Mm is used for rain. For temperature, we
50
have
centigrade.
yes, degree centigrade. Okay, well done. The maximum temperature of Sibbi and Jacobabad is about 50 degrees centigrade. Is it clear? So write down the answer, hurry up beta, and show me your copies. The maximum temperature of Sibbi and Jacobabad in summer is 50 degree, and this is the highest. Mostly, this is the highest temperature of the country in Sibbi, especially. So, The maximum temperature of Sibbi and Jacobabad is about 50 degrees centigrade. Okay, show me your copies. Okay, Abdur Rahman, show me your copy. And in the meanwhile, you have to write down the next question. Describe the winter and summer season of the subtropical continental highlands. Describe the winter and summer season of subtropical continental highlands. Hurry up, beta. Yes, Abdur Rahman, show me your copy. Maida beta, show me your copy. Rumesa, Ishal, show me your copies, beta. Next question is describe the winter and summer season of subtropical continental highland. Hurry up, beta, we have just 4 minutes and we have to do 2 questions. Okay, who will give me the answer? Abdul Wase is here. Abdul Wase, can you give me the answer? Yes, Shiza.
यस मिस, क्या पूछ रही हैं आप?
जी.
एक दफा क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दें.
Describe the winter and summer season of subtropical continental highland. Yes, beta, hurry up. We have not much time.
The winter is extremely cold. Normally, there is snowfall. Summer season is quite cool, and in the spring and
Hold
winter
on, hold
season,
on.
there
Very good, very good. So answer is the winter is extremely cold. The winter is extremely cold and summer season is quite cool. The winter season is extremely cold. Normally, there is snowfall. Normally, there is snowfall. And also, summer season is quite cool. The winter season is extremely cold. Normally, there is snowfall. And also, the summer season is quite cool. Have you done? Maida beta, Rumesa, hurry up beta. Show me your copies. 2 minutes left beta. Hurry up. Falak Sher. Show me your copy beta. Maida beta, show me your copy. Rumesa. Hurry up beta, show me your copies. Last question is describe the temperature of Pakistan in January, June and July. Very easy question. Last question is describe the temperature of Pakistan in January, June and July. 2 minutes left beta, hurry up. Show me your copies. Yes, Maida, very good. Show me your question number 5. Very good. I can see your question and answer. Okay. Last question. And this is our last minute. So, beta, hurry up. Tell me the answer. Yes.
There is extreme hot in June, July, and January
Okay.
in
And what will
Pakistan.
be the temperature? In January, maximum temperature will be 4 degrees centigrade. And in June and July is 30 degrees centigrade to 48 degrees centigrade. I repeat, in January, temperature is 4 degrees centigrade to 24 degrees centigrade. And because January is the cold month,